I'm sitting on the side of the Renew by US Mattress Restored Plush Pillow Top Mattress. Very good edge support on this. I hardly feel like I'm sinking on the edge at all. You can see it's not really bending in much, and I'm a larger body type, so very strong edge support. Advantages of the edge support is as you get in and out, it's very durable on the side, so I'm not going to wear this edge out over time. It's more comfortable and more stable as I'm getting in and out. And the thing I like most about a good edge support is it allows you to sleep closer to the edge of the bed without rolling out of bed. What that actually does is increase the usable sleep surface of your mattress. So on this model, very nice edge support. On my back, this mattress is incredibly comfortable. Now, this is the type of mattress I like, more on the softer side. But what I like about this, I don't feel like I'm sinking in. I don't feel like I'm hammocking. It feels like the coil system is supporting my hips. It's also coming up and supporting the small of my back, and shoulders feel good with no pressure on it. So if you're my body type, I think you'll sink just the right amount if you're looking for a softer mattress. On my side, again, this is a very comfortable mattress. I feel good support under all parts of my body, and usually on a mattress I'm going to feel, on my side, I'm going to feel a little pressure point under my shoulder, just a little bit of pressure there, but not on this mattress anywhere. I feel good support and no pressure. Overall, this is a really good mattress. My body type, larger body type, it's very stable, very strong on the edge, great support. And now, I personally like a softer mattress, and that's what this is. I think if you're my body type, you're gonna sink in just the right amount on this, and you're gonna wake up feeling refreshed.
We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video. We'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.